And we're live.
Hello.
Right. Hello. So, today we were lucky enough to get our first London Disc Golf Community Team Care Package. So, firstly, thank you very much. We're very pleased to have received it. We've got no idea what to expect, have we? Really? Ollie's kept it very secretive, but
well done.
Fingers crossed. There's some good stuff in here. So
don't chop anything.
I'll try my finger. Alright. So, oh, ching ching.
I'm not getting the fragile bit.
The fragile bit? Well, we don't know what's glass in there. We don't know. Right. Oh, we've got lots of packing materials.
Oh,
big puffy things. You got. I knew you were going to do that. Couple. More puppies. All right.
I'm going to stop because the baby's asleep.
Yeah, exactly. More puppies. Ooh, what we got in here?
Ooh.
Team LDGC spoiler alert.
That's mine.
Ooh, how do you know that's your one? Finland. Ooh, what's this?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Is it, isn't it? Ooh. Oh, I'm excited.
What's the spoiler be? Oh, okay. Oh, tax.
So this is what is included. That's the invoice. I don't want to see that either. I didn't. Right.
Okay, yeah.
Right. However, it might be nice to refer to see what we got. So this is for the lucky winner of my 500 follower giveaway. So Harrison Rules. This will be packed up, shipped off, and on its way to you. Congratulations.
AKA cycled down to your house by me.
Alright. Oh, there.
Oh, one day you will be fit.
Two hands and a little disc set for him. Awesome. Thank you, Ollie.
Thank you.
Right.
Oh, right.
116208. Is that you? Is that you? You can go first then.
This is my name.
Yeah.
It's a frisbee. Ooh, one of these got stickers.
Ooh.
They're cool.
I hope we get stickers in the bag.
Yeah, they get
I'm not looking. Right. Still no time.
Where are you at? Oh, Tweebies.
Ooh.
White ones.
Oh, awesome. And you got stickers.
That's a truth.
That's the truth, yeah.
Hold on.
That's the truth.
That's a truth.
That's wicked.
Is that a hop? I think that's a hop.
So,
I think that's a hop.
that does feel like a hop.
Let's have a look.
Yeah, so we've got
True. Yeah, they're going to die
does and EMAC Truth. So both me and Finn throw truths and hearts very much so.
That's amazing.
And it's awesome to have London Disc Golf Community Discs. That's wicked. Stab is cool. Right.
Right, now for your pack.
Assuming that these are
Yes, sir.
awesome.
Nice.
Mine are slightly heavier, which is brilliant.
Mine are quite light.
That is
177.
some cool discs. Check
That
those
is
out.
cool.
There we go. Excellent.
Woo.
Thank you, Ollie.
I'm from the Easter Double Tournament.
Indeed, upcoming tournament. That's wicked.
Yeah,
That's
cool.
so cool.
Some of my stickers.
Your stickers? No, they're my stickers. Okay.
No, they're mine.
They're my stickers.
Right, now what's yours?
My stickers.
Oh, true. Watch out.
Excellent. Right, and there's ooh, we have some.
Ooh, some R's. Oh, squishy.
We can squishy. Yeah.
I think it's squishy. Fancy.
Ooh. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Do you want me to?
Yeah, just chuck it. And back.
Yeah, do that. That's fine.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh,
That's
awesome.
amazing.
I want to get one.
Hashtag Team London Disc Golf Community.
Oh, that is excellent. Name on the back.
Fin116208.
Oh.
And then the London Disc Golf Community.
And so we've got custom LDGC team shirts
Love it.
with, oh, look at that number on the back,
133.
and also supported by the awesome guys at Ace Disc Golf. If you're looking for sexy discs, as they like to call them, custom stamps, tour stamps, go give those guys a follow.
Yeah.
I'm gonna model
Nice
my
buzzers.
beautiful
Yeah, I'll stick mine on as well.
t-shirt. Oh, that's awesome!
It's a nice material as well.
That is a nice material. That is super cool.
Oh, need to end the buttons.
Here you got yourself started. It's a perk of it. Don't rip the button off the first time you get it. That's wicked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boom.
Awesome. So when we next playing, Finn?
Is it next weekend? Or this weekend?
I
think it's next weekend.
Next weekend, 20th.
April 20th, 9 till 5:30.
Yeah, Easter
double tournament.
Fun tournament.
Run by London Disc Golf Community.
And yeah, and also Bedworth Disc Golf Club. Should be a really good event actually. It's the first time me and Finn get to play as a team. We're playing father and son in the adult and child division, but we've also thrown down the gauntlet with some of the
women
and men, including our teammates Will and Zoe. So we'll feed back with the scores on that. But again, Ollie, thank you. London Disc Golf Community, thank you. This is absolutely awesome. Thanks for the faith and supporting us, and we'll continue to play hard and do you proud, mate. Cool.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Goodbye.